Hey, what's up, everybody? I just wanted to demonstrate. I got this pocket shot right here. If you don't know what it is, it's like a little slingshot, but a pocket shot. Rubber band, whatnot, cap. You can store things in there, BBs and whatnot. There you go. See? Boom. Well, today, instead of your average BB, I want to go ahead and demonstrate these. I don't know if you can see it. Snaps on steroids. Your regular snap pops, but louder. And this is the bag they come in. Got a bunch of them in here. Those red things right there, burgundy things. Burgundy sticks. This is what it is. These are your snappers, your poppers on steroids. I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate this. Thought it was cool. Tried it out. Put this in here. I don't suggest anybody do that. They can explode in here. I don't know what the outcome damage is. So what I do, I put it in there. I try to line it up, get it straight, so it flies out straight to the bottom of the balloon here. So now that I got it like that, I don't want to squeeze too hard on it. And let's demonstrate it. Check it out. Woo! Pretty loud. I don't know how well this picked it up, but that was pretty loud. See? Let's do another one. Sorry for the video quality. I'm not too good at it yet. Hopefully get better. It's from my YouTube channel. Here's another one. Pocket shot. Little awesome thing here. Put it in there. Line it up to the bottom. Let's do it again. Woo! See? You see? That one busted in my hand. Didn't feel nothing. Didn't do no damage to the pocket shot balloon here.